Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. If you are someone who loves DIYs, crafts and want to know more about crafting business or dive into my crafting journey, then make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. So sometime back I did a video on how you can make pattern papers at your home and you guys really liked it. And recently I had these scrap sheets of paper lying with me, so I thought of designing them again, and I thought why not make some more pattern papers. So the sheets here are of all different sizes, but you can make these patterns on any size of sheet that you want. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For the first pattern, you'll need a sheet of paper, some paint in a bowl or a plate, and a fork. Now dip your fork in the paint and stamp it onto the sheet like so. Stamp it onto the sheet vertically and horizontally. Alternate between the two styles. And once you are completely done with it, your pattern paper will be ready. For the second pattern, you'll need a sheet of paper and a paint of your choice. Now go ahead and completely paint the sheet like so. Then take a plastic sheet of paper and crumple it onto the sheet like so. And keep it aside to dry. Once it's dry, remove the plastic sheet and you'll get a pattern paper which has a wrinkled effect to it. For the third pattern, you'll need your sheet of paper and a paint of your choice. Now again completely paint your sheet of paper with your chosen color. When you're painting, make sure your paint is not too liquidy, otherwise the texture will not come properly. Now take an old comb and glide it onto the sheet like so. Make sure you're putting enough pressure. It will help you to achieve a texture on the sheet like so. Once you are completely done with the pattern, your pattern paper will look something like this. For the last pattern, you'll need a sheet of paper, a piece of bubble wrap and some paints of your choice. Now apply a layer of paint onto the bubble wrap like so, and then flip it over and use it as a stamp for your pattern paper. Now do the same with the second color that you have chosen and stamp it onto the sheet of paper. Continue with the process till the point you are happy, and then your pattern paper will look something like this. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, do let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you super soon in my next one. Bye.